finally, we now come to the 4th elevator here at the WorldMark Resort in San Diego, California. And just like the others, it's another ThyssenKrupp mod of a former Dover. And there's your door track, your Dover blue. So at least some of the original guts of the elevator is still there, but not much. There's your Dover logo. Let's go down to the parking level. That doesn't work. That's where the original lantern used to be. See, Dover logo still lives though. Let's go down to P. Down works, but up doesn't. There's your State of California certificate. Elevator number 4, 2,500 pound capacity. Now we're gonna end it on 4. Dover, modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Basic, but nice overall. ThyssenKrupp did a good job with the mod. All right, and that will be it.